Click on the plus icon at the top right of the screen. Select on payment link option. First, click on the product or subscriptions button. Then tap on customer, choose what to pay. You can start to insert the tipping cost. For example, I'm gonna make a tipping link for the drawing artist. Don't forget to add the description and image to convince your audience more. After that, set up your own currency, align with your audience currency to make it easy for them to do the tippings. You may suggest your audience to give the amount of tips that you will be appreciated more. And don't worry, when you set some amount, your audience still can change according to their liking by clicking on the change amount button. You may also set the minimum amount and maximum amount of money that your audience can tips for you. Then on the advanced option, you can set up many more settings. I just recommend you to change the call to action button from pay to donate. And when you are good with everything, click on the create link button at the top right corner. And here is the tipping link. So when your customer click on the link over here, they will be redirected straight to your Stripe tipping page. They can change the amount of the tip by clicking on the change amount and insert their desired number. If you instead want to make the HTML code to embed it on your website, then click on the buy button right here and copy this HTML code to your website builder. Feel free to scroll down and do some edits on your cards or button that will be displayed on your apps or websites. But if you don't know how to add the HTML code to your website, you may go to the YouTube and search this keyword. You can adjust the website or application editor or builder according to what you're currently using. And if you want to make the QR code for the tippings, then select this button over here and add this QR code to your websites, application, or even your offline business places. And then when your audience or client scanning it, they will be also redirected to your own Stripe tipping pages. If you still have any questions, just comment down below and I'll try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.